Hello friends! To start, we will need 6 tangerines. We will prepare a very delicious and easy to make dessert that you will definitely succeed the first time. We need to squeeze the juice from the tangerines. There should be about 1 1/4 cups of it. Divide the tangerine juice into 2 parts. 1 part juice for soaking cookies. Pour 2/3 cup of juice into a saucepan. 1/2 cup water. 3/4 cup sugar. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix everything thoroughly so that there are no lumps. Now place the saucepan over medium heat. You need to cook the mass until it thickens slightly, stirring constantly. Your tangerine mousse should have approximately this consistency. Remove from heat and pour into another container. Cover with cling film and let cool. Let's move on to making the cream. We will need 2 packages of cream cheese, 2/3 cup sweetened condensed milk, 3/4 cup heavy cream chilled. Beat with a mixer at high speed. The mixture should become thick and airy. This is what a perfect consistency will be. Now let's take our cookie and cut it almost in half. We will need approximately 27 to 30 cookies. After cutting the cookies, dip them in tangerine juice and shape them into a cake. Dip the cookies in the juice on one side only. We lay out the bottom row in the same way. Spread half of the cream and smooth it out. We spread a second layer of cookies. If you like to prepare desserts quickly, tasty and without baking, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss many more interesting recipes. Spread the rest of the cream, but leave a little cream for decorating the dessert. We level the cream layer and spread the tangerine mousse on top of it. Level with a silicone spatula. put in the refrigerator for a few hours. Well, here is our dessert. Let's decorate with some cream and mandarin halves. This looks very delicious. This is a very delicate creamy tangerine dessert. Enjoy your meal, and see you in the new video.